This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for child abduction. The Morrisville Police Department is searching for Brandis Tyrone Smith Jr. Brandis is a 4-year-old black male, approximately 3 feet 6 inches, and weighs 40 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a black shirt with Daddy's Boy written on it and black shorts. The abductor, Denisha Williams, is a black female, 29 years of age, 5 feet 6 inches, with black hair and brown eyes. They were last seen
Thank goodness Spectrum saved that.
2017 Nissan Maxima, bearing North Carolina registration LCN 3940. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact Morrisville Police Department 919-469-4012 or call 911.
Well, thanks for watching.